Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about the radiator on your vehicle. Now obviously if you have an EV, I would say you don't have one of these, but that's not true because the intercoolers sometimes have very small radiators and the coolant still needs to be changed out on electric vehicles, believe it or not. But that's a whole different thing. Today we're talking about your internal combustion engine vehicle or your hybrid. They all have radiators, they all run coolant in them, and it's important to take care of them. But one of the biggest questions we get when one of these fail is, can you send it out and have it repaired like the old days? Well, we don't really repair radiators anymore. It's cheaper to replace them, and most of them are aluminum and plastic. So what happens with these, as you can see on this radiator over here, they corrode inside, they start to come apart. From the heating and cooling, the plastic becomes brittle, and pieces start to break off of them. Or from the corrosion from the antifreeze not being changed out properly, the fins plug and they start to rot out and deteriorate. Recommendation is to change the coolant on your vehicle, especially the hybrid coolants, every 3 years or 50,000 miles. Keep them in good working order, replace hoses when needed, and replace the thermostat during service, and you'll keep your car's cooling system in great working order. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan Fridays on CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.